Warszawską giełdę można wręcz uznać za ikonę odbudowanego w niepodległej Rzeczypospolitej wolnego rynku. Powiedziałbym nawet więcej. Jest ona jednym z symboli wolnej Polski. Tutaj, na warszawskim parkiecie, Polska wytyczyła drogę, która może być lekcją i inspiracją dla innych narodów, dla wszystkich ludzi w świecie rozumiejących wagę wolności ekonomicznej.
GPW, or Warsaw Stock Exchange, has been with the Polish economy since 30 years. Straight from the beginning in 1981, Polska started trading very actively, and currently we have listed companies which combined capitalization is 36% of the GDP, so we have quite good representation of the Polish economy. GPW Tech is our tech subsidiary. We have a range of clients in the European Union, but also from countries outside of the European Union. Our technologies, which were developed quite recently, are gaining the ground globally.
Because of Warsaw Stock Exchange, we received much wider exposure to financial markets from around the world. And I think it was due to a lot of successes we've made with our games, like this War Mine and Frostpunk. With that came the recognition from Warsaw Stock Exchange. Warsaw Stock Exchange listed us in some of the indexes, and we gained even more wider recognition through those indexes.
GPW Warsaw Stock Exchange is world leader in terms of number of listed game developers. Currently we have over 70 companies listed compared to 63 in Tokyo and less than 50 in Seoul. So we are clear number one in this respect.
We chose to go public through Warsaw Stock Exchange because we were looking for funding. And back then, we were a small company and we wanted to retain our ownership. And Warsaw Stock Exchange gave us this opportunity. It really appreciated our ambitious plans and vision for a company and allows us to, get into this field of capital from around the world.
On the Warsaw Stock Exchange, we have a very diversified and wide pool of investors. So we have global investors, also local mutual and pension funds, as well as retail clients. We need to include ESG factors into our strategy. We have developed practical guidelines covering such areas like importance of ESG reporting, a list of potential indicators, and also some main characteristics of ESG reporting like materiality, objectivity, data which should be comparable.
Somewhat the listed companies are better than the average companies in the economy. So there is a spillover effect, but on average the companies listed with us are growing faster than the super hyper growth of Polish economy.
So looking at the breakdown of the investor structure, we can say that 55% of the trading volumes is generated by the global investors, 24% by retail investors, and the rest belongs to the local institutional investors.
Each time we have a very successful project, we received a high valuation of a company. For me as a founder, this is very beneficial, but it doesn't stop here, because when I receive this kind of prize, my ambition goes even higher, and also this ambition goes higher for the rest of the team, because most of the team is also, the owner of a company. So this is really great.
Cieszę się, że Giełda Papierów Wartościowych ma aspiracje, aby być regionalnym hubem dla młodych spółek technologicznych. Życzę, aby Giełda Papierów Wartościowych była miejscem, które odzwierciedla sukces polskiej gospodarki.